Okay, so I'm now back in Japan. I've spent pretty much 2 months in my hometown, Rainian Island. And now that I'm back, first of all, thank you for the 2,000 subscribers. We're now 2,000 on this channel. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, now that I'm back, it's been a while since I hit the streets of Tokyo, so I was thinking to take you to the streets of Shinjuku for a little street photography session. Now, as usual, I'll be using my Fujifilm X-T4 to take pictures of Shinjuku. And this time I wanted to use the XF18mmf1.4 paired with a Promise filter. The reason why I wanted to try out this filter is first, a lot of people are using it and I wanted to have an opinion myself for the type of photography that I enjoy, street photography. And right now it's also dark and raining, so I thought that it would be a great occasion to use this filter and have this little, foggy / blurry style on my pictures. So let me know in the comment if you have any questions about this particular filter, and let's just hit the streets of Shinjuku.
Start it up.
What do you think about the promised 1/8 filter? I personally liked it. I think that it gave a nice feel to my pictures without them being too blurry. That's why I limited myself to the 1/8 and not the 1/4 or 1/2 version of this filter. And I'm pretty happy with the images that I got, even though, you know, the rain was quite strong, so I had to stop and keep this session short. But I will definitely bring this filter more and more with me now when I go shooting in the streets and create more of this kind of pictures. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you want to know more about the 18mm f1.4, check out this video right here where I review the lens. Alright, see you in the next video.